Hi dear customer. Now I am showing how you will send money to me by Remitly. At first search Remitly in Google and enter the official Remitly website. Click Sign Up from the top right corner. You can manually sign up to Remitly and also easily continue with Google account. Select your Google account and press Continue. Select your country in the From box. Select my country, Bangladesh, in the To box. Click Next. Select Send as yourself and press Create account. Here you will see my country name. If looks any changes, select again from here. Now press Send Money. Click on the Send to New Recipient option. Type how much amount you want to send. Scroll down and select the delivery method, mobile money and bkash. Select your payment method from these options. I am selecting debit card. Press Continue again. Here you have to type my first name and last name as shown in this video.
I will send you these informations.
When press Continue. Type my bkash account number here as same as this video.
I will send you my bkash number also.
Press Continue. Here you can choose any one option from this. Now give your first name, your last name and your date of birth. Then continue. Check your informations and confirm. Now enter your full address here. Continue again. Now give your phone number and continue again. Confirm your payment method by selecting Add a new card or bank account. Press Continue. Now give your card or bank details and billing address. Review your details and follow the next instructions to complete the payment. After complete you will receive a receipt copy. Send me a screenshot of the receipt copy. That's it.